everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be making a quick video for my friends and for my family on how to make the best boiled eggs. I know that there are a bunch of videos out there that show you how to do this, but this is the only way that I have found that you can make the perfect boiled egg. And I got this tip from Tammy over at Collard Valley Cooks, and I'll put her card right here for you. And as soon as this water gets to boiling, I'll be right back. Now that the water has started boiling, that's when you add your eggs. I use a slotted spoon. I make boiled eggs for my lunch. Okay. Now I have to wait for the water to return to a hard boil, and then I put it on 12 minutes. Wow, see how easy that peels? Look at that. Look at that. Rinse it off. I'm going to dry it for you. Look how pretty that is. Now let's see what it looks like on the inside. And I have my lunch pretty much set up. And look how pretty that turned out. I'll tell you what, you can't beat that.